Installing the Brondell FreshSpa Comfort Plus Dual Temperature Bidet Attachment is simple. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. Turn off the toilet water supply at the shutoff valve at the wall. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve under the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Place the bidet attachment centered on the toilet and insert the circular mounting brackets. Place the toilet seat back on your toilet. Adjust your bidet attachment and tighten your toilet seat in place. Insert the black rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. It is recommended to apply plumber's tape. Attach the braided metal bidet hose to the open side of the T-valve. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the water inlet under the bidet attachment. If you plan on using cold water only, install the hot water supply cap over the hot water inlet under your bidet attachment. If you would like to supply your bidet attachment with warm water, please follow these steps. Locate the hot water supply line in your bathroom under your sink. Turn the water supply valve all the way off and turn on the hot faucet to drain any residual water. Disconnect the hot water supply hose that runs to the faucet. Insert the small rubber washer into the hot water T-valve. Install the smaller of the two provided T-valves with the rubber washer onto the hot water shutoff valve. Remove the pressure cap from the pressure connector. Slide the pressure cap over one end of the provided hot water flex tubing. Push the flex tubing onto the pressure connector, making sure it slides past the lip. Secure by turning the pressure cap onto the pressure connector until firmly attached. Reconnect the hot water supply line to the top of the T-valve. Slide the pressure cap over the open end of the hot water flex tubing. Push the provided pressure connector into the open end of the hot water flex tubing until the tubing slides past the lip and cannot go further. Hold the pressure connector to the hot water inlet on the bidet attachment and screw the cap onto the hot water inlet until secure. Turn on the hot and cold water supply valves and check for leaks. To use the bidet, simply turn the control knob. The further the dial is turned, the higher the water pressure will be. To adjust the temperature for bidets using both hot and cold water, rotate the dial slowly from the cold side to the hot side until you find the best temperature. There may be a delay in the warm water reaching the bidet as the cold water clears from the tube. Congratulations! Your bidet attachment installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your bidet.